Hello, so I've started adding a text model, vision model called Qwen. This sort of allows some opportunities to sort of read an image or multiple images and generate descriptions from them. So here I've got one where I'm asking to describe here. So if I run that, it will run off and generate that. It will read in the image and analyze it. And then if I say just should give me a different response, but it's quite good at sort of describing the overall. So let's describe more of the mood there. And then I can also compare two images. So I've got two images here, one a sort of nature, one a sort of more urban. I can ask it to compare again. Takes a little bit longer because it's reading both images. And then you can also do prompt chaining as well. So if I pass that through to that one, I can say, asking it to give me an image prompt format. So I can run that here. This again will go off, pass all the chain of thought, so it'll take the previous node's data. Let's finish there. And then here, I can pass that through here. So I'm linking this parameter, the response from here, I'm linking to this one for the prompt. So I'm passing it through. So I can ask that to generate me an image from that response. So it could be quite good if you've got one reference image that you like and you want to sort of build a prompt from it. And then we can see here what it's sort of using. And what you can do here, because the prompt chaining just allows you to shuffle the nodes around, you can just move that one, run it again. So it sort of opens up some possibilities for some interesting workflows, like automatically generating these prompts or some sort of feedback loops to sort of update things. And then I can pass that one through over here, and it will then generate a different image from that. This can also work from video as well. And if I change that, just a mood, just say I just want the combined image, I can do that. So I could also modify this, just strip out a bit of that so it doesn't have so much of it there. Get rid of some of that. And then run that one again. Yeah, so it's sort of Create a scene and picture a scene, feature a train travelling along a scenic countryside road during sunset. Yeah, so it's mixed the train sort of theme with the sort of more nature theme. And what's interesting here is you can sort of see the chain of thought as well. So when things are hooked up, you can see what the previous message was and the sort of response of all the accumulation of the calls. So the assistant one, and then our next one here, and then the final response there. Yeah, this could open up some possibilities for many things, refinement or just analyzing data. Could be quite interesting for comparing changes that happen between publishers of versions as well, like what has changed from version 1 to version 2 in a shot or scene. And then finally started adding this into an automatically generated open API spec, so you can sort of potentially build a client a bit easier to sort of call some of these. This is still a little bit rough at the minute, but starting to flesh it out a little bit.